Namaste Vyas. Today on the occasion of Dashera, I done this special video to celebrate this festival with a lot of energy. What a speciality about the Dashera? Dashera means Dashara, means Ravan. We know the Ravan has 10 heads, all 10 heads, and it has been killed by the Rama, Lord Rama. So this is a time. Today is a time where you can victory over the evils. You can victory over and overcome the problem you face in the life. So that is why today is a special day where you can celebrate, you can do the puja, wish, and you can do the victory over the evil things. The things which is very hard in your life, which you want to overcome from that, this is today is a day where you can overcome from it. How? Today is a day where you can pray all your instrument. See, in the olden time, the instrument is like archer, like a weapon, sword. Now today, our weapon is our mobile, our laptop, our computer, desktop, our vehicle. That we can pray because that makes our life easy. So people pray their factory, their machineries also. So do pray for this. It is timing today is 1:30 to 15:50. So in the afternoon 13:30 to 15:50. That is 1:30 p.m. to 3:50 p.m. You can pray all your instrument, weapon, everything. Today is also a day where you can buy a silver. Today is a day where you can buy the silver and that silver will remain for your life. So that auspicious it is. You may buy the silver. It is also a kind of a victory. Today is Vijay Murat. Vijay Murat means success. Vijay Murat was a Murat whereby exactly the Lord Rama hit the Ravana and he died. So that time is today. That time falls between 2:16 p.m. to 3:02 p.m. So that 40 minutes muhurt is the best muhurt you can utilize. So 2 hours and 16 minutes to 3 hours and 2 minutes are the Vijay Murat, where you can success victory of negative things. Whatever things you are addiction, any stress, any things you wish to get through, to whom you are suffering, this all the time where you can overcome from it. The another time is also 13:31 that I already given 13:31, that is 1:31 p.m. to 3:50 p.m. is also a time where you can utilize this. Do utilize this Dashera to celebrate and brings out all the evils from inside. This is a day to pray Lord Rama, who's a Maryada Purusham, who's always keep his word, who always keep his promises. Today is a day to follow your promises. Whatever and whoever you have given promise, just remind him that I am here. I will give you the right thing. So today is a day where you can overcome everything which you are suffering. Addiction, if you wish to overcome from your addiction, today is a day. If you overcome your stress, you want to perform something in your career, you are performing and not getting result, do wish between 2:16 p.m. to 3 p.m. This is a hard exact time where whatever you wish, you will get victory. Today's victory time is a very powerful. Utilize this Dashera and full day with the positive energy so that in the rest of the year you will feel better. So this is a day to pray Lord Rama, Devi, Shakti, because he also after doing the Aditya Hriday Stotra. See, today is a Sunday, you can do the Aditya Hriday Stotra also, how many times you can able to perform. Or you can do any mantra which you want to get success. So getting success, all the mantras are also been chanted, and especially on 2:16 p.m. to 3 hours p.m. you can pray all your ornaments. You bring out all the ornaments, gold, silver ornaments. Do the kumkum and do the puja of this. Make them clean. put some money, coins. This will add your whole year wealth. We all are in good health, so pray for good health also today, and I believe that you all will be blessed by this Vijay Muhurt. This is Vijaya Dashmi also. Dashmi is a Tithi I mentioned, it is a victory. It is a Purna Tithi. Whatever you do, it will complete. So whatever the task it is pending, you can just start initiating it. That's it. It will start, it will rotate and complete and give you the result. So today is a time for getting overcome all your problem and getting benefit out of it. I hope this will be helpful for you and you will be all get blessed out of this Vijayadashmi. So my season greetings with you. In short, in Hindi I will speak. आज दशहरा है. दशहरा का मतलब होता है 10 सर को जिसने हरा. टुडे लॉर्ड रामा, आज श्री राम भगवान ने रावण के ऊपर विजय प्राप्त की थी, इसलिए आज विजयादशमी कहते हैं. दशहरा, दशहरा इट इज़ कॉल्ड. सो आपके अंदर भी जो बुराई है, आप भी जो अपनी चीज़ों से बाहर निकलना चाहते हैं, कुछ गलत चीज़ें आपके साथ है या कुछ नया करना चाहते हैं, तो आज इसके ऊपर आप काबू पा सकते हैं, विजय पा सकते हैं. आज का समय जो आयुध पूजा का समय है, अब उस समय पे आयुध तीर, कमान, तलवार ये सब हुआ करते थे. तो आज के समय में आपका मोबाइल, आपके लैपटॉप, आपकी मशीनरी, स्कूटर, कार, जो कुछ भी साधन सामग्री मशीनरी आप यूज़ करते उन सब की पूजा करें. उस पूजा का समय आपको दिया गया है 1:31 से लेके 3:50 दोपहर को. तो उस समय पे आप इन सब चीज़ों की पूजा कर सकते हैं. आप अपने ज्वेलरी, ऑर्नामेंट्स, जो सारी चीज़ें हैं उसको निकाल के उसकी भी पूजा कर सकते हैं. इसमें जो मुख्य समय है, जो विजयादशमी का विजय मुहूर्त है, वो विजय मुहूर्त आज का है 2:16 से लेके 3:02 दोपहर को. तो इस समय पे आप जो विश करते, कामना करते, पूजा करते, जिस मंत्र की उपासना करते, आपको उसका अच्छे से अच्छा फल मिलेगा. सो इसका आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करें और इससे लाभान्वित हो. तो इसी कामना के साथ आपकी विजयादशमी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण जाए, आप सभी चीज़ों से ऊपर उठे, आपके जीवन में सारे कष्ट खत्म हो. श्री राम भगवान का स्मरण कीजिए. आज के दिन श्री राम भगवान ने आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र का पाठ किया था. आज रविवार भी है, सो आप भी आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र का पाठ करें. राम भगवान के जो भी उपासना, श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम या खाली राम 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 करें पूरा दिन, यह आपके लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. और बाकी देवी की उपासना करना चाहते हैं वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. तो इस विजयादशमी में हम अपने स्वास्थ्य के ऊपर अच्छा काबू पाए, हम आर्थिक सामाजिक तौर पे आगे बढ़े, हमारे कार्य अच्छे हो. इसी कामना के साथ, इसी मंगल कामना के साथ आप सभी इस दशहरा को अच्छे से मनाएं, लोगों की सेवा करें, भक्ति करें और लोगों के जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ खुशहाली लाए. तो इसी उम्मीद के साथ इस दशहरा की शुभकामना देते हुए मैं आप सभी को शुभेच्छा देता हूँ, आशीर्वाद देता हूँ और आपसे भी आशीर्वाद की कामना करता हूँ कि आप भी अच्छे काम में जुड़े. नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत खुश रहे, आपका जीवन मंगलमय हो. अच्छी कामनाओं के साथ, शुभेच्छाओं के साथ आप सभी को प्रणाम. नमस्ते.